Okay, this is how you use this Delonghi machine to make coffee. First, turn the machine on. There's a button right here. Turn that on, you'll see the lights blink. Make sure that the container is filled with water. You can just fill that up with bottled water. It slides right back on. Then, while it's heating up, you can fill your coffee. Make sure it's tapped down just a little bit solid so it makes a nice smooth top there. Then put the Grupo back in. It stopped blinking. If you want there's an option to make a double or a single. We'll make a single right now. Cup goes in, push the single button. It makes coffee automatically. Coffee grounds, when you're finished, do not put them down the sink. Put them in the trash underneath in the drawer back here. And you can just scoop them out and put them in the trash there. Okay? Good? Okay, and then to froth the milk, select that button. It'll blink a few times. And then when it's stopped blinking, you put your pitcher in the nozzle, take this knob, push it down, and then when it's as you like it, turn the nozzle back off, and pour your cappuccino. Now, if you want to make another cup and things are blinking after a while, it'll time out. All you need to do is recycle the power switch, turn it off, and turn it back on, and then it goes back to the beginning and you can select whichever button you'd like to make your next cup of coffee. When it's finished, just turn the machine off and wipe the nozzle down.